I'm Aaron from 𝙎𝙉𝘼𝘾 Machinery. Today, I'll be demonstrating to you guys our mini rotary oven. So as you can see here, there's two sizes for our mini rotary oven. One is the 5-tray unit and this is the 10-tray unit. So as you can see, our mini rotary oven is not only small, but it is able to speed up the bakery process in a very short time. Both of these ovens are able to shoot up to 230 degrees Celsius within half an hour, similar to a large unit that you guys have been seeing in the market. So with the rotary baking system, it is able to evenly transfer the heat and also ensure the baking aesthetics of your product is in very good shape. So besides that, both of these ovens are equipped with steam function, where you are able to bake sweet bun without allowing the dough surface being dry. So by using the steam function, you are able to program the steam function through this touch panel over here, as you can see, and you are able to set the steam time as well. Besides that, this screen is able to allow you to monitor the temperature, the actual temperature, and also the baking time of the process. Each of our ovens are made up of stainless steel. What are you waiting for? Hurry up and contact us for more info regarding the mini rotary oven. Thank you.